Hi friends, this is not my normal type of experiments that I like to mess with, but I happened to see this on YouTube on another fellow's site and I thought it was very interesting. Take a piece of galvanized and pipe, metal, in this case angle iron, drive it in the ground a foot or two, and got a piece of telephone wire run from it, mainly so I can connect the two. I don't know if you can see it very well. I can't even see it in the camera. But anyway, you step off, in this case about 60 feet, and according to other things I've read on other websites, if there's trees in between, you get better current flow. But anyway, it's called an earth battery. In researching it, I found out that over half of the telegraphs in the United States and Europe in the mid-1800s ran off of earth batteries, and they were capable of sending messages anywhere from 300 to 400 miles. Anyway, it's called an earth battery, and I stuck a piece of half-inch copper pipe in the ground here. Oh, by the way, they're running north and south, and with the copper north and the galvanized south, and the copper is driven down just a little deeper. Actually, copper is driven down about 2.5 feet deep. This was a 5 foot. Where is it? Can't find that sucker. There it is. Anyway, just so you'll know what's going on, the wire itself, where is it? I can't find that sucker. There we go. There we go. The wire is not actually connected to the copper pipe. I've just got it wrapped around so I can pull on it and get it tight to keep it up off the ground. The actual bare end is right here, and that's where it's tied into the negative end, which comes from the galvanized. And then of course right here, I can't find anything in this thing. Here we go. Here we go. Then my positive lead is touching the copper, and right now, as you can see, we're producing 1.016 volts. And if you look at the little V to the right, you can see it's full voltage. This is amazing. Last night it was up to 1.020, and earlier today, I've had it's run almost 24 full hours now. First started off at about 0.79, slowly over about a 2-hour period built up to 1.020, and has maintained it for the past 24 hours. You can see it jumps every once in a while, so I'm expecting it to go all the way up to the 0.20 eventually. It went down when I tested the amperage on it. The amperage is really low, really low. It's like 0.25 milliamps. So anyway, I thought it was kind of interesting, and somebody was saying something on one or two of the internet sites about the possibility of setting it up in series, jumping the voltage up. It seems like they had to have done something, because they were running well, not all, over half of the telegraphs in the United States were running on earth batteries such as this. So they had to have a lot more voltage than that, especially to push a message 300 to 400 miles. Now, anybody knows that DC current will not travel more than 12 to 15 miles. Now, I read on another website or 2 or 3 websites where the current that's actually being produced by the Earth is alternating current, and alternates at approximately 6 hertz, which is 1/10 of what we use here in the United States. We use a 60 hertz. I'm not an electrician or electronics engineer or anything like that. I don't know a whole lot about electronics. I just thought this was kind of interesting, and thought I'd show a few people and see what y'all think. Okay, have fun.